Hello, it's Mrs. Spitz again. Hello and welcome to the lab gear. Today we are going to work on this sheet 1.1D called Face to Face, okay? So let's look at this sheet. Hopefully you have it out. So each block has 6 faces. So even these little thin ones have 6 sides. So let's look. 1, 2, right? And then all of these little sides, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 3-dimensional blocks like this have 6 sides. And there are, let's see, the faces are all rectangles or squares, and there are 10 different sized faces shown below. Beneath each rectangular face shown, write its dimensions. And inside each rectangular face, list all the blocks that fit that face perfectly. Okay, so let's start at the top here. We're going to do the first one. And this is kind of a fun one to do. I'm going to get you started. Maybe I'll do one in each and then see if you can figure them out. All right, so for this first one, we can certainly put this here, right? Because this fits in there. Does anyone remember that name of that? Yeah, if you remember the name, you can write it in here, x squared, all right? And there's other pieces that fit in there that I'm not going to go over right now because this is kind of for you to explore and see if you can find other pieces that will fit in there and put the names down. So I'm just going to do one of each of them. And then this large one, what fits there? Well, I definitely know the y squared will fit there, but there are others. Oh, we forgot to do our dimensions on this. Sorry, over here. So we're going to put x by x, or x times x, right? And then on this one, this is a y times y. But there's other pieces that we can fit in there. So I'm going to put the y squared here, and then we'll list some others afterwards. Okay, how about this one? I wonder what you could fit in there. Well, I know there's a little x that I can fit there, right? So this is the x side, and that's a 1. So this is an x by 1. So we have the x bar, but there's a few others that can fit in there as well, all right? And then let's go down to this one here. All right, so this piece would fit in there, right? So what are its dimensions? X and a y. So x by y, or x times y. And this is the xy that will fit in there. And there's a few others that will fit in that you can find to list there. And then this long one, well, for sure we can fit the y bar in there, right? So that's a y times 1. And this is the y bar, but there's a few more you can fit in. And then we have this one, right? I'm going to leave this one empty, and this one, and this one, and this one. I think that you can figure those out right now. Just wanted to get you started on these. See how many you can figure out, and then when you get to class, we'll make sure and go over these and see how you did with those, okay? So it's kind of a little puzzle and an exploring piece of activity. All right, so have fun. I'm glad you came to my video. See you later. Bye-bye.